I love fall. I love waking up to crisp mornings. I like cozying up next to the fireplace. I like bringing in all of that wonderful taste and smell into the home. And nothing does that quicker than a batch of ginger cookies. This ginger cookie is one that Bonnie makes a lot. And one of the things she likes about it is she says it freezes really well. That if you want to make the little balls, make up the little balls and freeze them, then you can just pop them in the oven during the holidays if guests come around and you want something to give them. I always like showing you our recipe book, and I like to share my recipes with you. I want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. HelloFresh has more 5-star reviews than any other meal kit service. And today we are making cayenne chicken, crispy kickin' cayenne chicken cutlet. Crispy kickin' cayenne chicken cutlets. Say that 3 times in a row. HelloFresh's produce arrives at the peak of freshness, and it's quicker than a grocery store. HelloFresh's pre-portioned ingredients means there's less prep for you and less wasted food, but you can always increase your HelloFresh box servings so you can easily use leftovers for lunches. A few years ago for Christmas, Ellie, our daughter, and her husband Jared gave us a subscription to HelloFresh for the winter, and that was so fun. I'm telling you, if you're wondering what to get your mom and dad for Christmas, get them a subscription to HelloFresh. It is a good gift. Go to HelloFresh.com and use my code Griffiths14 to get 14 free meals plus free shipping. Go to HelloFresh.com, use my code Griffiths14 to get 14 free meals plus free shipping. I'm going to cream my butter. Again, that's 3/4 of a cup of butter, because our cubes in the United States are a 1/2 cup. I need a cup of brown sugar. I've had a lot of people ask me where I get these things, canisters, and they came from Lehmans.com. I've creamed the sugar and the butter and added the egg. Tablespoon of water. 1/4 of a cup of molasses. This reminds me of my grandma, because she always made some kind of a molasses cookie, and she always had molasses in her house. Now I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons each of ground ginger, ground cinnamon, and ground cloves. I have 2 1/4 cups of flour here that I'm going to add. The recipe doesn't say to do this, but I'm going to put it in the fridge for a 1/2 hour and get it chilled, And in a few minutes, I'll preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Okay, how many of you caught that I forgot to put salt and baking soda in? And how many times have you made that mistake? So I'm gonna go ahead and add the salt and baking soda to it now and just try and beat it up. Teaspoon of baking soda, about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put this sugar in a bigger bowl so I have room to roll my balls around with. And we're just going to roll out some balls in the sugar. I'm going to bake these for 10 minutes on 350 degrees, and even if they don't look like they're done in 10 minutes, they come out of the oven. Well, I don't need 2 dozen cookies sitting around, so I rolled the rest of my dough into balls and I'm going to put them in the freezer, and they will keep very nicely there. Then when I do have little grandchildren come around, I can quickly pop them in the oven and we'll have a treat. Do you guys use cooling racks? I generally just put it on the counter. I'm curious though, do you just put your cookies straight onto the counter or do you use a cooling rack?
Oh, well, have a seat. Ooh, they look like they're right out of the cookbook.
Oh.
Just looking at something. 2 months, 10 days, or 71 days that I've got left.
You've got 2 months and how long?
2 months and 10 days.
10 days,
Or,
wow.
I think just about 2 months.
Awesome.
Yeah, till I retire.
You look pretty cozy
Well,
right here.
yes,
I would have to say,
yes,
you
yes.
have gotten pretty cozy down here. Can you tell what my husband sort of does for a living? Do you think?
I taste water. Well, and some of you said, why does he always look so sketchy when you walk through the door? Well, it's business.
It's business.
Yeah. Well, they look good. Are you still going to bring me treats and dinner and snacks down when we're retired? I hope so.
Are you going to continue living in the basement?
I might do.
Sometimes I cook right upstairs, right up above him. And sometimes when I need him, I'll just bang, 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 bang on the floor and he'll come up the stairs. Okay, wait.
Or she'll, yeah, that's instead of texting me, she'll thump the floor.
Sometimes I'll thump the floor.
Well, I was thinking these were going to be like cinnamon cookies, but they're ginger snaps.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Been a while since you've had them, huh?
Oh yeah. No, I love them. The only thing I don't like about these here is that they're not, well, I guess if you leave them out on the cupboard for a couple of days, it'd be a little bit harder to stale.
Yeah.
I like those ginger snaps that you buy in the
bag.
In the bag that you have to put them in your mouth and take a mouthful of milk and let the milk soften them up a bit before you can chew them. But those are
soft.
Oh yeah.
Those are soft because they're fresh. Well, all right. I guess.
They taste good though. I like them.
Good, good, good. I guess whether or not I continue making Chad cookies, Depends how much I like him, I guess. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.